Hi, I'm Jordan, and today I'm going to talk to you about streams on the Intelligo platform. So here we are in the admin dashboard of the Intelligo platform. If I click on the Watch Now item, you'll see that there's a sub-item called Streams. This is really important. All of the stages on Intelligo need to receive streaming information from a streaming service. If I click on the streams, you'll see we've not got a stream yet, which means we won't be able to send any content to the platform on the stages. So let's create a stream. I'll just click the button here, create a name for my stream. If you've just got one room and if you're just recording a single long stream of content, you can just have one stream which we'll call the main stream. If you've got people streaming from different parts of the world, that's slightly more complicated and you'll need to set up multiple streams, one for each session that you're streaming to. So this is the main stream. We can also set a backup YouTube video ID. Some people like to have redundancy in their streaming system. So what we can do is we can receive a YouTube stream into the Intelligo platform and switch over to this YouTube stream should there become any issues with the main stream. For now, I'm going to leave this blank. So I've created my stream, and what this has done is it's generated a URL and a stream key. This is the information that you need to put into your streaming software in order for Intelligo to receive the feed. When Intelligo is receiving a feed in the admin dashboard, you'll see that this red light becomes green.